5, your first personal foul. First team foul.
Kasi pag-other step niya, doon pala siya.
Number 15, first try.
Nga ba eh.
No good.
Siyempre, ang number ng anong pangalan ng basta dito na
Sana. Apat sabi ko.
Basket. Ang tawag ulit. Foul number 5. Number 5, you are. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Official score po 2-1, 2-1. In favor of All-Star. Number 13.
Naka-under 40 ako dyan.
Number 4, Alvarez. Pass to Arce. Arce swimming sa grabe league. Violation. Ang tawag direct.
Ano na ang pangalan mo yan? Yan, pangalan mo.
Kabila!
Wala. Hindi, number 7 na lang.
USA, force, no good. Nakuha nila ni Bang, force, basket by number 5. Official score 4-1 in favor of All-Star. Number 15, Rose, pass to Alvarez. Pass to number 13, wait. Number 13, set lang daw. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 15, Rose, pass. No good. Number 0. Number 0, dribbling the ball. Nawawala ang bola. Number 0. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 17. Pump. Pass to isa. 3,000 years violation. Arce, pass to Alvarez. Alvarez, pass to number 17. Pump. Nagpamadali. Pump, first. Basket by Pump. Number 13, dribble the ball. Setting up the play. Pass to Ross. Pass to Arce. Arce, force. No good. That one number 30. Number 30, step lang daw, sabi ni number 30. Pass to number 0. Number 0, picks. Check by number 30. Number 30, rebound ulit. Number 30, force. Number 13, basket. Check number 30 again. No good. That one number 0. Number 0, pass to USA. USA, pass to Papa. Pass to number 5, basket.
Pangalan mo, Jordan Donayan.
Ay, yung motor na sa booking.
Number 3, force. Basket by number 3, Arce. Official score po, 8-5, favor of All-Star. Number 30, number 30, force. Isa, and 1, who's foul, right? Okay. Who's foul? Number 4, you want first personal foul, first team foul.
Ayun lang gan. Ano number yan? Yung nakashoot. Number 30.
First try, no good. Nakuha ni Alvarez. Pass to Arce. Arce, tripping the ball, also to moves. Arce, naroon siya. Foul, number 30, you won. First personal foul, third team foul. Number 30, pass to number 15, Rose. Rose falls. Who's foul, right? Number 30, you are second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Dalawa na silang Mr. Meat.
Okay, nagpapiso na ako.
Rose, first try. Basket. Second try. Basket again. Official score po, 10-7 in favor of All-Star game. Number 30, Mendoza. Pass to number 0. Number 0 balls. No good na one. Pop, 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 pop. Who's foul left? 3, Arce. Arce, yours. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bob, Bob, no good. Last try. No good pa rin nakuha ni Alvarez. Power rebound by Alvarez. Pass to number 13. Ang taas ng pass ng Morgan. Pop, pop, flip the ball. Pop, pop, nagmamadala siya. Violation. Alvarez, pass to number 15. Back to Alvarez. Alvarez, pass to Arce. Arce balls. No good pa rin. Nakuha nino. Di number 5. Miranda. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza, pass to number 0. Number 0. Tumira na 3. No good. Nakuha nino. Di number 30 Mendoza. Pass to number 17 Bam Bam. Papa slow motion. Traveling. Violation. Ang tato na rin. Number 13. Pass to number 4. Alvarez. Back to number 3. Arce pass to number 27. Dribble the ball. Back to Alvarez. Di ba madali? Alvarez stopping back. No good. Nakuha ni Miranda. Pass to Bam Bam. Number 17. Pass to number 0. Number 0, Westbrook Pauls. No good. Nakuha ni Alvarez. Isa foul. Who's for it? Number 0, change 5 po tayo. Change 5. Number 0, you are first personal foul. Penalty red, penalty. Penalty po red, penalty. Ako man ako gang. Official score po, 10-7 pa rin, hindi pa bumangat. Alvarez, first try. No good. Alvarez, second try. Basket by Alvarez. Official score po, 8-10 in favor of All-Star. Number 34. Number 34, Pauls, no good. Nakuha nino. Ni number 27. Pass to Alvarez. Alvarez mamadali siya. Save point po ang tawag ko rin.
Save pot.
14 seconds to shoot po. 14 seconds. Alvarez, inbounding the ball. Pass to Rose. Pass to number 13. Bates, number 30, step back. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 3, Arce Pauls. Pass to official score po. All 10 na po. Number 20. Pass to number 16. Sa foul. Foul. Number 27. Number 27. You are first personal foul. 30 foul. Condition. 14 seconds to shoot po. Pass to number 75. Neil. Pass to number 30 po. Nakuha ni Alvarez. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Lamang na po ang dalawang Manila Bilay. Nakuha nino. Alvarez. Alvarez. Nagmamadali. Pass to number 15 Rose. Back to Alvarez. Nakuha ni number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 34. Number 34. Number 34. Nilipat pa. Alvarez. Pass to number 30. Brings number 13. Check ball na one number 16. Nagmamadali. Ay number 34. Oh, number 34. No good na one number 24. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni number. Anong number nun? Number 16.
Lamang sila lang.
Ba't wala dito?
Sab.
Okay guys, pag na-shoot. No good. Ano pangalan nun? Number 20, Matias. Pulse. No good. Nakuha ni Arce. Arce nagmamadali na wala yung bola. Nakuha nino. Ni number 30. Ni number 13 takes. Number 13 is a foul. Foul, rep. Ano yung number niya, rep? 75, number 75. You are first personal foul. Penalty, red penalty.
Ilalagay mo lang na. Oo, meron. Assist yan, assist.
Number 13, no good.
14
Number 13, last try. No good pa rin. Awal number 75. Pass to number 34. Pass to number 20. Pass to number 16. Fades away. No good. Alvarez, aka Adam. Pass to Arce. Pass. 3 points by Arce. Number 16. Pinigot mo sa kabila.
Jab.
Ano naman yung number 16? Ano ba yun? Ay, nakashoot.
No good.
Nagyang na naman 16 dito.
Okay. Number 34, Force. No good. Pass to Arce. Pass to Alvarez. Alvarez. Nagpapadali. Lumiyap. Alvarez. Nagpasok.
Sab.
Ano?
Sab daw pa.
No good.
Kasi yung quarter mo pala.
Wala, second quarter na.
Arce. Arce tumira sa foul. Who's foul, rep? Number 75. Number 75. You are 7 personal foul. Penalty, rep. Penalty.
Pakalaban ka kung kayo dyan. Pre, hindi. Tinestingan kung mas matigas yung ano.
Arce first try. Basket.
Malalim, pre. Ganito yun, no, pre?
Arce, 7 try. Basket ulit.
Hindi, legit pre sa akin, no?
Ang number 20. Pass to number 23. It's a foul. Foul. Number 13. Rose, you are first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 20. Foul. No good. No one number 16. Number 16, i-dribbling the ball. Pass to number 34. Pulse. No good. Nakuha niya pa rin. Huli. Nakuha number 16. Pulse. Basket. Teka lang.
Alam mo na, pre.
Time remaining. Last 1 minute. Alvarez. Pinoy step. Isa. Stepping on the right. Radley. All-Star ball. Number 20.
100 yan.
Mga 18 pataas mas na.
100. 80 pataas.
Kasi malalim eh.
Lalim eh. Huli!
Pass to
120. Huli yun. Ano na? Paru-paruan na.
Hindi, koma muna ko.
last 30 seconds. Alvarez, pass to Rose, takes, Rose, pass, huli, nakawali number 19, pass, no, we balik, last, 20 seconds, pass to number 20, Valeroso, pass, no good, nakawali, 10 seconds to shoot, number 27, Banyel, pass to Alvarez, back to Banyel, Banyel, pass,
Ay, water break muna, water break.
Game na. Masan mo na, bahala sila. Wala tayo oras eh. Wala tayo oras eh.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Lamang sila, lamang. Tatlo.
Lamang po ang Manila Pilay ng tatlo.
Laki pa naman ang trophy. Sarap. Sino uwi? Sino uwi?
Eto.
Sino uwi ng one time?
Number 30, inbounding the ball.
Wala.
Number 30, pass to number 17. It's a foul. No counted daw ang tawag direct. Sino pa rep? No count. Who's pa rep? Number 24. Number 24, your first personal foul. First team foul. Number 17, Papa. Pass to number 0. Nakuha ni Alvarez. Alvarez, solo mo yan, Gam! Umawit! Ano ba nangyari dun? Yung number 0. Pasi Papa! Basket by Papa!
Pare, ikaw bahala sa patak. Ako bahala sa
No good. Nakuha ni number 24, Pace. Pass. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni number 5. Pass to number 00. Pass to number 5. Pass to Papa. Pass. Basket by Papa. Lamang na ang isa. Ang All-Star. Official score, 22-21, number 30, easy basket by number 30.
Bagal mo. Kamali.
Boss, time out daw ha.
Pinalik ko.
Okay po.
Alvarez, pass to number 11, back to Alvarez. Pass to Mr. Baby Boy, pass, no good, nakawali, Papa dribbling the ball. Papa crossover move. Papa lumipad. No good. Sorry, number 5. Number 5 wala rin sa ball. Nabiling ko lahat. Papa. Shot. Ay, timeout daw po pala. Timeout. Manila Pilay. Official score. 24-21 in favor of All-Star Ballers. Kay Pakakogang. Last quarter na po ito. Ang oras na lang ay last 12 minutes. Exactly. Wala na po timeout ang Manila Pilay. Isang timeout lang daw po. Arce, pass to Alvarez. Alvarez dribbling up the ball. Pass to number 27, Tubiran Andres. 3 points. Papa, nakuha ni Papa pa rin. Pass to number 13, Mendoza. Pass to USA. Pass pass to number 5. Paul, no good. Nawani, Alvarez, pass to number 11, Archangel. Easy basket by Archangel.
Defense! Defense! Nice one! Di marunong nga magano ng bola.
Official score po natin. Lamang na ang Manila, bigay ng dalawa. Alvarez, pass to, out of bounds. Sub, rep, sub, sub. Sub, rep, sub, sub. Labas, lalabas. Pasok ang papasok.
Pag matindi pa.
Pass to number 30. Back to number 16. Pass to number 24. Alvarez, isa. Ang tawag to rep. Ang tawag to rep. Riding ring. Stop po, pasok na po, pasok na po. Rep, stop, rep, stop. Official score, 26-24 in favor of Manila Bilay. Number 34, Force, pass it by number 34. Pasok na. Alvarez, pass to Arce, back to Alvarez, pass to number 27, pass to Tepera, back to number 27, pass to Arce, Arce Force. By Arce, dead ball po ang sub, dead ball. Number 0, Force, no good, only Arce. Pass to number 30, Mendoza. Oh, ang tawag ng rep. Rep, ang tawag rep. Rep, ano pong tawag? Save ball lang rep. Mendoza, inbounding the ball. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 34. Number 34. Number 34 is setting up the play. Crossover moves. Pumalaksak. Isa. Foul. Who's foul? Rep. Number 34. Stop down po. Stop. Number 24. Number 24 you are. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Pass to Arteza. Grabe, violation ang tawag nila. Number 16, Force. No good. Nakawa ni Arce. Pass to Alvarez. Alvarez, nagmamadali na naman. Nagmamadali na naman sa Alvarez. Pass to Arce, tumira na naman ng 3. Paul, who's my red? Number 11, Archangel. Archangel, you are first personal foul. 30 foul. Time remaining, last 7 minutes and 32 seconds. First try by number 16, basket. Number 16 ulit, last try, basket ulit. Alvarez, pass to number 27, pass to Tepera, uli! Uli! I love! Last 14 seconds to shoot po mga idolo. Pass to Alvarez, ay, Archangel breaks. Archangel naman papasaan. Pass to Depera, bumawi. Ang layo. Pass to number 5. Number 16, pass to number 0. Number 0, Paul. Pass it. Change favor na po tayo. Lamang na po ang All-Star. Archangel, pass to Arce. Arce Paul. No good. Going number 5. Pass to number 0. Number 0, nagmamadali kung masober. Number 0 na. Pass to number 94, breaks, pump. Pass it by number 94.
Boss! Tingin lang tayo. Dalawa, isa.
Isa lang.
Isang timeout lang daw po ang meron dito. Arce. Pass to Alvarez. 10 seconds to shoot. It's a foul. Who's for it? 34? Number 34, you are. First personal foul. 13 foul. Alvarez. Archangel. Pace. Archangel. Pause. No good. Now number 5. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 24. No good on number 5. Number 5. Sab dyan niya.
Prepare.
Sab. Sab. Sab daw po.
Tama tayo.
No good. No only number 16. Pass to number 0. On target left. Number 4, you won. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Last seconds to shoot. Stop down rep. Stop it. Stop. Five seconds to shoot daw po tayo. Number 0. Tumira. Shot. And one. Buzzer beater. Who's foul rep? Number 4 rep. Number 4 you are. Third personal foul. Penalty rep. Penalty. Basket and go.
Best kita.
Blurred ka pa sa blurred. Pumasok lang.
Number 4, Alvarez. Pass to Alvarez ulit. Pass to Archangel number 3. Ang layo. Out of bounds. Bola na. All-Star. Number 70. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 16. Pulse. No good. No opening niya. Pinasa number 0. Pulse. Pass it by number 0. Good. Alvarez. Pass to number 15. Ross. Mispimog. Umigot. Bumangga. Isa foul. Foul. Who's foul? Red. Number 20. Number 20 you won. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. 15 seconds shot ako. Arce, pass to Ross. Ross, gano'n papasahan, pinasa kay Alvarez. Alvarez, tumira ng 3. No good na kawani. Number 0. The scoring machine. Number 0. Magmena.
Kuya. Kuya.
Foul ng number 16. Penalty na po ref. Penalty na. Number 16, first personal foul, penalty. Pumasok, dalawa rin. Number 0. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 16. Number 16, force. No good away, number 27. Pass to Alvarez. Alvarez nagmamadali. Pass to number 15, Rose. Isa. Bending violation. Opening score. Alvarez. Pass to Pablo. Pass to Pause. No good. Nawani. Number 37, Nawani, Nino, ayun ang bola rin. All-star, same ball ang tawag rin. Repose by Arce. Time remaining, last 1 minute. No. Arce pa rin ang bola. Arce pa rin. Umikot-ikot. Pinasa kay Alvarez. Tumira ng tres. Ay tumira ng basket. Number 0. Number 0 story machine. Basketball. Number. Bam.
Rest up. Wala na ba?
Basketball. Bam. Ilan? Last 15 seconds to shoot na po tayo. No good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,